Let's be honest, the side hustles that actually work and actually pay may not be the most exciting ones. They're actually the boring ones. They're ones that people don't brag about because they're not flashy, but they bring in real money. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 boring side hustles that you can do at night from home around your busy schedule, especially if you're over 50 and you want something realistic. Best part is you don't need any experience. You just have to prove that you can do the job. And these are obviously not any get rich quick by any means. These are things that people can do quietly after dinner, after the house calms down, or just in evening hours after your full-time job. Now stay with me because number 1 is the most that people have never considered, and it's surprisingly simple. Side hustle number 1 is doing other people's laundry. There are apps that connect people who don't want to do laundry with people who are willing to wash, dry, fold, and then return it. One of the best known platforms for this is Poplin, and it used to be called SudShare. Here's why it's perfect to do at night, because you can do the washing and folding in the evening while you're at home. And according to Poplin's own information, you can sign up as a laundry pro, accept gigs in your area, and get paid based on the weight of laundry completed. And if you want another option, there's also Laundry Care, where you can apply to be a provider and work independently in your area. So what you do is you pick up the laundry and you do the laundry in your own house. So again, doing laundry is boring, but it can be consistent if you build up a client list, and people will pay for convenience. And depending on your work schedule, if you work remotely, you might even be able to do a couple loads during the day. Side hustle number 2 is content moderation. This is where you help moderate online communities by reviewing comments and posts and keeping things clean and respectful. This kind of work is often needed when activity is high, meaning evenings can be a good fit because that's when communities usually thrive. A few places that look for this kind of work include Mod Squad, Live World, Upwork, as well as Remote.co. This is one of those quiet behind-the-scenes jobs that don't require you to be the face of anything. Side hustle number 3 is caption editing or transcription. And again, this is boring but steady. So you're either transcribing audio or editing captions to make sure they're accurate. So Rev is a company that is currently looking for people. They offer freelance transcription and captioning roles with flexible work. And there's another company called Transcribe Me, where freelancers work on short clips and build experience. And the best part, which I love, is a lot of these side hustles don't require the phone. Because if you're anything like me, I don't want to talk at night because I'm exhausted. Side hustle 4 is task-based local gigs, like the laundry help. It's platforms like TaskRabbit. They have a category for laundry help. You wash, dry, fold, even laundromat runs. And this is great if you like choosing tasks and working on your own terms. So the task can be more than just laundry, right? They could be pretty much anything, making doctor's appointments or just running to CVS for someone. So obviously it's not glamorous, but it can fit evenings and weekends. You can set your own schedule. Next, we have chat moderation, community support. So this is when you're actually inside live chat rooms and online communities. So again, you have companies like Mod Squad, Live World. And if you're patient, calm, and good with written communication, this could be a solid night option for you. Now, all of these pay and all of these can work, but they do have one thing in common. They're absolutely boring, and they usually pay because they solve a real problem. But also, most of them still trade time for money. So the question becomes, which one fits in your life right now? If you want a simple breakdown of the 24 most lucrative side hustles that you could start this year, you could grab my free guide below. Just click on the link, put in your email address, and I'll send it right to you. But the guide goes over, like I said, the most lucrative, most popular side hustles people are starting this year to earn thousands of dollars a month. So if you want access, definitely check out the link in the description. And if you like this video, please give it a don't forget to subscribe so you get notification on future side hustle videos that you can do at night, no matter what your age, no matter what your experience. Now, YouTube is suggesting you watch this video next, so go ahead and give that a watch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.